Hello students, our next topic in the third unit is radiation due to small current element. So in the previous class we have discussed the radiation due to accelerated charge and the radiation due to oscillating dipole. So dipole is we have calculated that the dipole moment associated with that oscillating dipole is q into dl. The rate of change of dipole moment is equal to dq by dt is I dl. So the rate of change of dipole moment of the oscillating dipole represents a current element. So we can compare this oscillating dipole as a small current element, and from that small current element IDL, how much amount of energy is radiated will be calculated in today's class. This is the radiation due to small current element. This is derived from the radiation from a oscillating dipole. So how we can calculate the radiation? We will calculate how much amount of power radiated in terms of Poynting vector. Poynting vector is the cross product of electric and magnetic field vectors. Already we have calculated the electric and magnetic field vectors of a oscillating dipole. So from that we will calculate the power radiated from this small current element. So for the small current element, that is for an oscillating dipole, the rate of change of dipole moment is given by P dot is equal to I dot dl. Then P double dot, that is the double integration, that is di by dt dot dl. The first rate of change of dipole moment is the current element, and the double rate of this dipole moment is di by dt dot dl. Now let us assume that this current varies in an exponential way, that is indirectly it is varying in sinusoidal and cosine form. So, let I is equal to I naught e power minus I omega t, then di by dt is equal to I naught minus I omega e power minus I omega t. So this is the rate of change of current. So let us substitute this value in this P dot. So P dot is, what is P dot? IDL. So IDL is I naught e power minus I omega t into dl. What is P double dot? P double dot is I naught into minus I omega e power minus I omega t. This is di by dt dot dl. So these are the single rate and double rate of the dipole moments. Why we have calculated these values is for the oscillating dipole, the electric field vector is given by E radiation and the magnetic field vector is given by B radiation. In terms of P dot and P double dot, E radiation is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P dot P double dot of R sin theta by RC into n theta. So the E radiation is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P double dot of sin theta by C R C square into n theta. This is the electric field calculated for an oscillating dipole. Similarly, the magnetic induction, that is magnetic field vector, is mu naught by 4 pi P double dot of sin theta by RC into N phi. Let us substitute these two values in this equation. So then the values of E radiation is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. P double dot is I dot minus I omega e power minus I omega t into dl of sin theta by r c square into n theta. That is, this is rearranged and written as, here we will have the negative sign, that is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught I omega I naught e power minus I omega t into dl into sin theta by r c square into n theta. This is the electric field radiation in terms of the retarded time. So t is replaced with t minus r by c. So this can be written as minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught I omega I naught e power minus I omega t into t minus r by c into dl by r c square into sin theta into n theta. Then the electric field vector B radiation will be written as, so B radiation is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. So B radiation is mu naught by 4 pi. P double dot is I naught minus of I omega e power minus I omega t. In terms of retard time, t is replaced with t minus r by c into dl sin theta by rc into n phi. This is electric field vector. Then the magnetic field vector is, since it is in terms of minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, so let us convert this term as also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So if you multiply this term with 1c, c square here, so mu naught into c square is epsilon naught. So minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So we have multiplied with c square and divided with c. So r c cube I omega e power minus I omega t into t minus r by c rl into I naught sin theta into n phi. E power minus I omega. So this totally, this can be written as minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus I omega I naught e power minus I omega t minus r by c I omega I naught t r by c into sin theta divided by r c cube into n phi. This is I omega I naught t power minus I omega into dl dl I omega I naught e power minus I omega t minus r by c into sin theta of n phi by r psi cube. So let us calculate the Poynting vector. So the Poynting vector is, if you want to calculate the Poynting, if you compare both these two equations, this is the electric field vector and this is the magnetic induction field, then B is equal to, if you compare these two equations, this is modulus of E, we will take the modulus of E divided by C into n phi. So this is the term called n theta and this is the term n phi. So the only difference is n theta and n phi. Then the Poynting vector S can be written as S is equal to half into real part. Since we have the exponential part, this is real part of E cross H, that is 1 by 2 mu naught into real part of E cross B. So simply substitute both these values. This is 1 by 2 mu naught real part of E cross B. So what is E? E is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught I omega I naught dl sin theta by r c square e power minus I omega into t minus r by c into sin theta, into n theta cross minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dl I omega I naught e power minus I omega n phi by r c cube. Then I omega minus I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus. Next term omega square I naught into I naught square omega square I naught square dl into dl here dl square. Next sin theta into sin theta, this is sin square theta divided by 4 into 4 16, 16 into 2 32 pi into pi square epsilon naught into epsilon naught square, and here we have epsilon naught square and r into r square 1 by 4 into 4 16 into 2 32 pi into pi square epsilon naught square r square c power 5 into n theta cross n phi. N theta cross n phi is nothing but nr. This can be written as omega square I naught square dl square sin square theta by 32 pi square epsilon naught square r square. Here we have mu naught, another mu naught here. So mu naught into epsilon naught is c square. So 1 mu naught get cancelled, one c square get cancelled. So in the denominator we will have c cube into nr. So this is the average power radiated, and the average power radiated per the solid angle is written as, that is dP by d mu is equal to the average power multiplied by 4 pi r square by 4 pi. So this is 2 into area of cross section by solid angle. This is nothing but the average area, the average power radiated per solid angle. So let us multiply this equation with 4 pi r square by 4 pi. R square get cancelled. 1 pi get cancelled, and pi into pi again pi square, and this 4 in 32 8 times, and 8 into 4 32. So totally we get omega square I naught square dl square divided by 32 pi square epsilon naught into c cube r square get cancelled, c cube into sin square theta. Since the value of this radial vector is equal to z, then the total power radiated is calculated by taking the integral of the solid angle, the total power radiated per solid angle. So this is integral dP by d sigma is omega square I naught square dl square divided by 32 pi square epsilon naught c cube sin square theta into d theta. So here we will apply the double integrals like in our previous classes. This is 0 to pi and 0 to 2 pi. This is d theta for 0 to pi and sin theta into d phi for the phi angle. Then the total power radiated ds is equal to omega square I naught square dl square divided by 32 pi square epsilon naught c cube. So sin square theta into sin theta, this is sin cube theta, that is integral 0 to pi sin cube theta into d theta, and integral 0 to 2 pi, this is d phi. This value is omega square I naught square dl square by 32 pi square epsilon naught c cube. This is 4 by 3. This is 2 pi. 4 8 times 2 4 times 4 3s are 12. That is omega square I naught square dl square by 12 pi square epsilon naught c cube. This is the radiation emitted or the power radiated from the small current element.